Well, I couldn't find anything on YouTube on how to do this job, so I figure I'll film a quick video and maybe it'll help the next guy along. So I've got a Gradall 534C 9K, and I guess this will also apply to the 10K. And what had happened is the hoses on the fork tilt broke, and I think they got trapped underneath the shiv pulley on the cable and split it that way. I hit the forums after not finding anything on YouTube, and first hit I got, someone said, "Oh, that's a $15,000 job." First comment was, "Well, I can do it for you for $7,000," and I'm like, no way. The mast shouldn't have to come apart. So let me explain what's going on, and maybe it'll help you out. So the fork tilt, these hoses run across the bottom here, and they run into this top side here. Now there's these spring-loaded guys here that support the hoses. From here, they run back in to the mast. That hose, from that connection right there, that hose runs all the way back. It's got a big plastic pulley there, and then runs all the way forward to the forks, and that tilt cylinder on the forks. What happens, why they do that is, starting from the top there, that plastic pulley, it's on that second mast piece. And so when that mast piece moves forward, the pulley moves forward. When that pulley moves forward 1 foot that way, you get 2 feet of hose going out. You got 2 sections there, so it matches going up, and you don't have to have some accordion banjo dealy going on. The springs there, they take up a little bit of slack, keep tension on it, and also hydraulic surge pressures that bounce the hoses around. So to get the old hoses out, what I've done is disconnected them there. I pulled the broken hose through and tied a piece of paracord, 700 foot-pound paracord, and I pulled the hose out the backside. I also, so you see I have 2 pieces of paracord there. One's for the hose going in the main mast down to where it connects to those hoses in the belly there. And the other hose, other rope, goes to the one that runs all the way through all the sections of mast. I used a JIC 6 to 8 union. It's just an easy way to tie the rope on. So here's my 2 hoses. This one, it's got a little bit of abrasion, but this is the one that was mostly intact. And luckily that one had a tag on it, so hopefully I can go get that exact one made. The hose that broke, lots of abrasion spots. You can just see how this is just chowdered. So anyway, hope to get the new hoses and be able to pull them through the back. I pull the front section first. Actually, let me hop up in there. You can see that pulley. There's a cover plate you need to take off. This is that cover plate. So there you can see the shiv pulley on the cable and the plastic pulley that the hose is right on. So hopefully it won't be too bad to pull the new ones through, hook them back up, be back in business.